Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because we have a mystery box. So this is from Sigma Beauty. A couple of you guys had DM'd me and told me about this mystery box because you guys know I love me some mystery boxes. And you were like, did you know that Sigma had a mystery box? And I was like, no, I did not. So they have it on your Ipsy. So you go into your Ipsy account and go in Shopper or on the Sigma Beauty site. But I did go through Ipsy for this. So this was $30. It was the only option. They didn't have like a small, medium, or whatever. So I have a lot of people tell me about Sigma, about their stuff. So I was like, all right, well, why not try it by a mystery box? It's a win-win for me. So let's open her up and see what's in there. And okay, so let me unwrap it. Okay, so there was like a little sticker. So this thing is so small. Look how big that box is. This is like a waist. All right, so you do get this, and there's nothing under there. So let me just put that right here. All right, so let's see what this is. Oh, so this just tells you what like different products that you can get for Sigma. All right, the first thing is this little sample. This is a Sig Magic Brush Shampoo. So you get to try that out. All right, so everything seems to come in here. And like I said, it was $30. If it's still available, I will leave the link down below. I believe I had to pay for shipping too. And is there like a product card to like tell you? Yeah, okay, it does. And it also tells me prices, so that's good. All right. The first thing is this Ora Powder. So I guess this is I think it's a blush. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Right there. This is in the shade Lady Slipper. Okay, let me see how much this is. Yeah, so this is a $13 value. So this is a blush. This is in Cool Light Pink. Right there. There is the packaging. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, I am not gonna swatch this. It comes with a mirror. That's the shade, but I tend to not wear these. This is like definitely a cool tone pink, kind of purplish, like a little hint of purple. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. I'm not even going to swatch it because I don't tend to go for colors like this, and it would just go to waste. So I'd rather one of you guys try it out. All right, so that was $13. The next thing we got is a brush, and I love brushes. So this is powder blush brush, and this is $22. All right, so there we go. So duo fiber, which is good. I love duo fiber brushes. So this is a F15, and you don't always have to use it for blush. You can use it for bronzer, contour, really anything that you want, but it feels really good. I want to try their eyeshadow brushes. I've heard from so many people, and my friend Alex always says how good that their eyeshadow brushes are. So I want to definitely try them. All right, did I tell you the price on this? Okay, $22. So right there with these two, you got your money's worth at least, you know, for $30. The next thing we got, okay, is the brow pencil. And what shade are you? Hope it's my shade. Doesn't say, just says brow pencil. All right, this is, where you be? $8. Customize your brow color by using both sides of the pencil to create your look. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it's my shade. Okay, yeah, so you have a dark brown and like a light brown. I'm definitely gonna swatch it because I can make it work. So there's the dark brown. I usually use like brown. Ooh. This is definitely not my shade. That's like a cool brown. That's way too light, and that's the darker color. Oh, I wish I didn't swatch it. So this is dark and this is medium. That is definitely not dark. Not for me. I'm just going to swatch both sides. Oh, yeah. Oh, this looks like a greenish color. Look at that. like a, maybe it's like a taupe color. This is more for like light color hair, I think. I wish I didn't swatch it. I'll see if I know any, but I can't put it in a giveaway since I swatched it. But I'll see if I know anybody with lighter color hair that can use that. Because we can always sharpen it to sanitize it. All right, so how much was that? That's disappointing. So this is $8. All right, 2 more items. I'll drop the card. This is a lip base, so I guess a lipstick. And oh God, this is in Magnetism. Oh, look at that color. That's like an orange color. This would be $8. I don't know, guys. See, that's the thing with mystery boxes, you know. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna swatch this. Holy cow. That's like a reddish orange, more orange right there. I will not wear this. If I like reds, but I like the blue tone, I don't like more orange. It just doesn't look right on me. So I'll put this in a future giveaway as well. So far I have a brush. All right, last but not least is this loose shimmer right there. This is in the color Lush, and this retail value is for $8. So let's see if I like this. I don't tend to go for loose powders, but I do use them, you know. Oh, that's pretty. I think I'll definitely use this. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that, guys. That's pretty. I like the packaging a lot. All right. So I'm going to swatch this because I definitely will use that. Definitely. If I can get this. Yeah. Oh, that was easy to take off. All right. Let's put some in the lid. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. All right. Oh, there we go right there. Let me put some more on. That is so pretty. This is like an orange. It's sheer. It's very sheer. I don't know. I don't think my lights are doing it justice, but I will definitely show you in the pan. There you go. There's the color. That's really, really pretty. So I will definitely use this. I like it. All right. So out of the box, there's 2 things that I will definitely use. Okay. So this is the loose pigment and the brush. So this was actually $30 right there. This was $22 and this was $8. So it's $30. I didn't really make back my money because you do pay for shipping, but I'm glad there are 2 things. But that's just the thing with mystery boxes. You either get something that you really like or something that you don't. So I knew I was taking that risk. So that's why I'm not that disappointed. So I definitely got these 2 things, and I get to try some things from Sigma, but also for you guys. So it's a win-win. So I will put this lipstick in a giveaway. The brows, no, not the brows, because I already swatched it. Wait a minute. This was the brow. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside and give that to somebody. This was the lipstick that I'm going to put in a giveaway, as well as the blush, right? Is that everything? Yeah, and then we got that shampoo thing here that really isn't worth anything. It's just a sample they give for free. So let's recap everything that we got again in this mystery box. So you got the blush, you have the lipstick, you have the loose powder, you have the brush, and you have the eyebrow pencil, and then this right here. So let me know in the comments below, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Do you think this is worth $30? Or do you think it's worth the money to pay for $30 for this? Let me know. I think altogether with shipping and tax, it came to $37. So for me, because of these 2 things equal 30, I didn't get my money's worth, you know, what I paid out, but I'm not disappointed, if that makes any sense, because like I keep repeating myself, that's the thing with mystery boxes. But will I stop getting mystery boxes? No, I won't, because I have a problem. I admit that. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know all the tea. And if you guys ever know about any mystery boxes, let me know. Wet n Wild has one that I just ordered it, and I should get that on Monday. And I'm so excited for that one that I can let you know. That one's only $19.99, and you get, I want to say like 11 or 14 things. So I'm excited about that. One of you guys told me about that as well. So I love you guys and thank you so, so, so much. All right, I'm going to stop talking now. Make sure that you rate this video. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but rate this video. I do have some giveaways going on, so I will leave that right here. So make sure that you check them out. Make sure that you're subscribed, and also hit that post notification bell so you can be notified for all my future videos and my giveaways, because I have some more up my sleeve. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. I love you guys so, 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 so much, more than you will ever know, and that's the truth. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.